Hi guys, how are you doing? Thanks for clicking and welcome to English Vocabulary. In this video, we are gonna talk about "20 common grammar mistakes." So, let's get started. Number 1, you speak English good. It should be you speak English well. Number 2 is she's married with a doctor. It's wrong. You can say she's married to a doctor. Number 3, she was boring in the class. The right way to say it is she was bored in the class. Number 4, every student like the teacher is grammatically wrong. Every student likes the teacher. Number 5 is I must to call her immediately. It's wrong. It should be I must call her immediately. Number 6, although it was raining, but we had a party. Is wrong. You can say although it was raining, we had the party. Don't use although and but together. Number 7 is I look forward to meet you. It seems almost okay, but it's wrong. You can say I look forward to meeting you. Number 8 is I enjoyed from the movie. I enjoyed the movie. Number 9 is I like very much ice cream. The correct way to say it is I like ice cream very much. Number 10 is where I can find a bank. The right answer is where can I find a bank? Number 11 is I live in United States. It seems almost okay, but it's wrong. I live in the United States. You should add the article. Number 12 is when I will arrive, I will call you. When I arrive, I will call you. Number 13 is I've been here since 5 months. I've been here for 5 months. Number 14 is the police is coming. It seems okay, but it's wrong. It should be the police are coming. Number 15 is the house isn't enough big. The house isn't big enough. Number 16 is do you like a glass of wine? You can say would you like a glass of wine? Number 17 is we usually drive to home. It's wrong. You can say we usually drive home. Number 18 is me and Tom live here. Tom and I live here is the right way to say it. Number 19 is it is more hot now. You can say it's hotter now. Number 20 is how many children do you have? It's wrong. You can say how many children do you have? Don't use s with children. Good luck and Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.